Have you ever wondered how augmented reality, or AR, seamlessly blends the digital with the real world? We're about to demystify this exciting technology. Augmented reality is rapidly changing how we interact with technology and our environment. It's not just for games. It's a powerful tool across many industries. At its core, augmented reality takes the real world and overlays digital content onto it, enhancing your perception of reality with virtual information. It's important to differentiate AR from virtual reality, or VR. While VR completely immerses you in a simulated world, AR keeps you grounded in your real environment, merely adding digital elements. Augmented reality relies on a combination of hardware and software working in harmony to achieve this blend of the physical and virtual. The hardware includes cameras to capture the environment, sensors like gyroscopes and accelerometers for positioning, and displays such as smartphones, tablets, or specialized AR glasses to show the augmented view. The software is the brain. The AR engine processes real-world data, identifies surfaces, and calculates where to place virtual objects accurately within that space. This involves complex rendering and calibration. The true magic of AR lies in how it convinces your brain that the virtual content is truly part of your physical surroundings. This blending starts with environment recognition. The AR system uses computer vision to map your surroundings, recognizing planes, walls, and objects, creating a digital blueprint of the space. Then comes tracking and registration. This process ensures that once a virtual object is placed, it remains anchored to that spot in the real world, even if you move your device or head. For the user, the experience is intuitive, interactive, and completely changes the way we consume information and engage with products. Real-time rendering is crucial. The AR engine must constantly update the virtual content as the user moves, maintaining synchronization between the physical and digital worlds for a seamless experience. You see AR everywhere, from simple social media filters and immersive mobile games to complex industrial maintenance, navigation tools, and architectural visualization. Augmented reality is a powerful paradigm shift, enhancing our reality with layers of digital information and interactivity. It works by using cameras and sensors to map the real world and sophisticated software to track position and render virtual objects, maintaining a perfect real-time blend. As hardware improves and AR engines become more advanced, the possibilities for augmented reality are limitless, promising a deeply interactive future.